So here I am on my penultimate day as president of Aberystwyth Students' Union. It's been a turbulent and interesting couple of years here in the union. There was actually the Guild of Students when I first started 2 years ago. In Meakin, plenty of changes, and I'm here with my obligatory cup of Starbucks, which is behind me, which is one of those changes that was a bit controversial.
Right, well, my time as UMCA President and Welsh Affairs Officer in the Union is coming to an end. There's so many memorable events that have happened this year. Some of the main events for me were the intercollegiate dance in November, and also UMCA members bringing home the intercollegiate Eisteddfod victory in February. Another thing that really sticks out for me is the bug rally that was held in February. It was amazing to see all Welsh students in Aberystwyth come together to celebrate the fact that we're all Welsh speakers. And also, to end the year, we had Welsh artists in the May Ball for the first time. This was a great development, and I really look forward to seeing this developing over the next few years. From an union side, we introduced a support document for translation for societies and sports clubs, and as a result of that, we saw the Welsh Standard Award being introduced, so that was great to see, and I look forward to seeing that develop as well.
I've had the pleasure for serving as your education officer for 2 years, but I've actually been a student officer in Aberystwyth Guild of Students and Students' Unions for 4 years. I've seen 2 Vice-Chancellors, 7 Pro-Vice-Chancellors, 9k fees introduced, I've seen a library open till midnight, a 24-hour computer room in town, I've seen Wi-Fi in PJM, and many, many other things. It's been an absolute pleasure to see the strategic reorganisation of the university and the Students' Union over the last couple of years, and been an absolute pleasure to work within this place. It's been great.
I hope you've all had a fantastic time in Aber. I certainly have. I hope that we've helped you here in the union. Good luck to all those who are graduating, and I'm sure I'll see you one last time at the end of year soiree.
So many other things that happened this year, too many to list, but I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you all, everyone who supported me, wish the best of luck to all UMCA graduates and all other graduates of Aberystwyth in the future. Thank you very much.
I wish the rest of the union the best of luck. It's going to be a great time here, guys. Good luck.